Antonio Watson shocked the world when he stormed to a stunning 400-meter gold at the 2023 Budapest World Championships, marking Jamaica's first major medal in the event in over 2 decades. But his journey since then has been anything but smooth. From battling injuries to facing fierce competition in the 2024 season, Watson's path to defending his title in Tokyo 2025 has been filled with highs and lows. In this video, we break down his impressive comeback, including a standout performance at the Brussels Diamond League, and discuss whether he can conquer the unpredictable field of the men's 400 meter. Will he defend his World Championship title, or will the new wave of sprinters leave him in the dust? Let's find out. After his amazing win at the Budapest World Championship 2023, the world was expecting bigger things from Watson at the end of the season. But he decided to end it with the intention of preparing for the 2024 Paris Olympics. However, things did not go according to plan during the 2024 season, as his best time was 45.61 seconds done at the Jamaica Athletics Invitational. He decided to contest the Olympic trials, but he was unable to finish his first round heat. These disappointing performances led Watson to end his 2024 season with the hopes of defending his World Championship title in Tokyo in 2025. Winning the World Championship in 2023 allowed Antonio Watson to have a wild card for Tokyo. This means that he would not have to compete at the Jamaica National Championship in order to make it to the World Championship. Being out of competition for such a long time, Watson decided to compete early as he started the season with a 46.03 seconds to win the 400 meter at the Camperdown Classic in February. This was quite a good performance as he was still rebuilding from his injuries. To aid in his preparation for the Tokyo World Championship, Watson ran the opening round of the 400 meter at the Jamaica National Championships. He ran 46.22 seconds to take the win. However, this was still not as impressive as the rest of the world's competitors who were running consistently under 45.00 seconds. The Ed Murphey Classic saw Watson running 45.24 seconds to win the 400 meter. This was quite impressive because it was his fastest time since winning the World Championship title. Antonio Watson was given an invitation to run in the pre-programmed 400 meter at the Brussels Diamond League. The venue is known for its fast track record, and this was the perfect opportunity for Antonio Watson to run a season's best. The meet was going on schedule, and it was now time for the men's 400 meter. Watson was very focused as he went into the blocks. He got off to a good start and kept going with the rest of the field. He continued closing off the last curve and crossed the line in a massive season's best of 44.89 seconds. He was quite pleased with his performance, and it added to his confidence as he hopes to defend his World Championship title. Since Quincy Hall's late charge to win the 400 meter at the Paris Olympics in 43.40 seconds, the men's 400 meter has become a lot more competitive, thus making sub 44 the new standard to win championships. With Antonio Watson making such a gradual progression in the 400 meter, it's possible that he might be able to defend his World Championship title this season. But that's just a speculation, and only time will tell how good he is. Antonio Watson's journey has been nothing short of inspiring. As he gears up for the Tokyo 2025 World Championships, one thing is certain, his story is far from over. Whether or not he defends his crown, his determination and comeback will continue to inspire future generations of athletes. What do you think? Can Antonio Watson overcome the fierce competition and defend his World Championship title in Tokyo 2025? And do you believe he's ready to compete with the rising stars in the men's 400 meter? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video discussing whether My Lady Paulino can break the 400 meter world record this season or not. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any updates. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.